Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Bluetooth. What you need to do is you need to first of all go to the menu, then scroll down to the settings, select settings, scroll to network. Then from network you see Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth low energy. Select Bluetooth low energy. Then you switch Bluetooth on. Bluetooth low energy is turning on. Now this printer is connected via Bluetooth low energy. The next thing you need to do, you need to go to your phone settings, go to connections, select Bluetooth. Available HP OfficeJet Pro 9120. Select on it. App is needed, and you can see it's highlighting. App is needed to use this device. Go to Play Store, download HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. Open it up, and the printer is ready. This is the printer here. Now, if you want to print your document, you select Print Document. Select PDF, select the document you want to print out, select Preview, select Print. This is the document we printed out. This is via Bluetooth. There we go. So this is the document we printed out. So we connected this printer to Bluetooth low energy. Another way to print a document from your phone is go to My File, open up My File, then you select the document you want to print out. This is the document I want to print out. Gently tap on it, then select Print on top. Then select Print. It gives you option for you to scroll down from the list and look for HP OfficeJet Pro. Here we go. Select on it. Scroll down. You have option for you to change the color. And also select more option. Select Document, Quality, Normal, Fill Page. Then you go back. You can select all the information colored, but you don't have option for you to print double-sided. Orientation, portrait, print all pages, then select Print. This document is printing. This is the first one. There we go. This is the second one. So this is how to connect this printer via Bluetooth. Then print your document from your mobile device. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.